And another one. That was gorgeous. You see this patch of sun here? When you go back more, back more, back more. No, that way? Yeah, there. So, and then this way, so you're like half in the grass. Go down there. I'm trying to use this like color.
In the, like, must I do that?
Yeah, like right there. And jacket. Actually, yeah, someone. See if I can do something with that grass. Can you go up on your bottom foot?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
One.
What do you have that's like just like pretty? Not so pretty. Yeah, that'll be nice. Can you jump?
I can.
Without falling?
Yeah.
Okay, hit us with one jump. Nice. Can you go faster?
Yeah.
Okay, one more move.
Oh my gosh. A caterpillar just fell.
Can you do the layout with your leg like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Must I? Okay. Must I look out or?
I prefer not in camera. Your leg hanging off the door.
Okay.
Let's see what you can do with it. Okay. Might actually be nice from this thing too.
Okay, where must I sit?
Standing. Give me something low. Do you have something low? Dancey wise? Okay, what else you got? Look that way. Look up.
Is it broken?
Yeah, dog. Look here. Look.
Risky life. The things we do for pictures.
Yeah.
They gotta have tested it though. People use this thing every day. Imagine someone break. The lighting looks very nice.
Does it? Okay.
Rather like floating fit in all.
Okay.
We can flick it. Give a flick move. What's that move where I... What's that move? Yes, that move.
Okay.
I know moves. What's it called? And then you're gonna go.
Okay.
Can you come do this? Hurt yourself.
Okay.
Be nice to your body. Okay, go.
Maybe just do
Yes,
that.
you can. Turn a little that way, and then.
Okay. Should I get that other jacket thing? It's just this.
Put that other hand like almost on your calf. Can you hang over? Hug it back.
Okay. Wait.
Look at this. This is from yoga, dog.
Oh!
Okay, very nice. What else can you do? I like that. It was very good commitment. It's like pain. Do something with this tree. Trees are hanging all over the place. This place.
Yeah. Sick.
Fala, a dodgy, sticky tree.
Wow. And that tree?
Hey.
Yeah.
Another one is on your toes, not flat. And then this one just comes to your knee, like a pretty shape.
Okay.
Like a knee down up. Because if that's what it's a tree, doesn't matter. It will look better anyway. One foot,
Okay.
like on the ball.
Okay.
Okay. Give it down. Yeah, girl.
What's up?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm great. How was the shit?
Oh, it was so much fun. It was really, really cool.
Trees and stuff.
And which one was like the best memory? Like best pause ever?
I think doing the clips for the YouTube video.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it was really cool, and I'm very excited to see what it's gonna look like.
What about the tree?
The tree was
My
worth
arms are like, dude.
No one's ever worked that hard for a tree.
Look at it.
Sick.
It's gonna
Yeah.
look so
It's
good.
so cool.
And no one's
So
ever
what's
done
what's
it.
your last
Yeah.
word?
What's my last?
Word.
Last word.
My last word. Thank you for having me. It's been awesome. Bye.
Bye. And you, what's the
Me.
last word? Yeah.
Last word. It's I don't know.
Let me give you my last word.
What's the last word?
Home.
Home. That's deep.
Yeah.